Namaste. We're gonna learn Bhairava meditation, a powerful meditation practice from Guru AtmaNambi. Guru AtmaNambi lives in Tamil Nadu in India. He was self-realized in 1994 and he travels all around the globe in order to spread the wisdom he gained. So, this practice is very powerful and actually it's not hard to learn, it's easy. It has 6 steps. Each step has a duration of 10 minutes. However, you can actually shorten a little bit the duration, we don't have so much time, and do each step for 5 minutes. Each step is accompanied with music, as you can hear. This is the music of the first step. So, I'm gonna explain the technique in a technical way and demonstrate a little bit. The first step is to do something like we call Bhastrika Pranayama. You breathe forcefully from the chest, all with your whole torso. The awareness is not only on the breath but also in Ajna chakra. So, the awareness can be here in the middle of the eyebrows or actually in the middle of the head, which is not so easy at all. So, middle of the eyebrows is easier. Don't worry about being a little bit dizzy, just keep on moving, keep on breathing forcefully, and you can increase the pace actually. The goal here in the first steps, in the first 3 steps, is to gain prana, to gain energy. So, let's proceed with the second step. And the music goes like that. In this step, Kapalabhati is the technique we're going to practice. Kapalabhati is a technique when you move the belly in during exhalation, and actually during inhalation you don't take the air forcefully, you let it go in, and it goes like that. You may stick with the rhythm. So forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. Let the air come in. In the beginning it's not so easy, Kapalabhati, so for the beginners maybe little bit of not passive inhalation, maybe it's okay. Exhale always from the nose. If you don't know how to practice Kapalabhati, you should talk with an experienced yoga teacher. So, Kapalabhati, and at the same time awareness on Ajna, third eye. At the same time, if it's comfortable for you, squeeze also Aswini Mudra. Squeeze the anus. Squeeze, relax. Squeeze, relax. So let's do it for 1 minute or so together. If thoughts are going here and there, that's totally normal, bring them back of what is happening now. Kapalabhati technique, awareness on Ajna chakra, again and again. So, this is the second step of the technique, and now let's move to the third step. And this is the music of the third step. Now, in this step, which is very powerful, extremely powerful, you may change your posture. You may use a pillow, like me, or no pillow at all. I recommend with a pillow. And Legs a little bit open. Hands like that or like that. Like a dog. Like the dog who is breathing. It's breathing like that. With the tongue out. So, spine curved. Little bit. And head slightly up. Awareness again on Asana, third eye, and Asvini Mudra simultaneously with the breath, which is like that. Again, let the body move here. So, the eyes go here. You don't have to squeeze the eyes. The awareness is here, so the eyeballs will go automatically here. So let's practice this third step with a minute or so. Again, if you think you are dizzy, it goes too much, no. The three first steps of this meditation practice, take your body and take your mind to the edge. Trust the process. If you prefer to have the eyes open, look up or look between the eyebrows. And shoulders back, away from the ears. So this is the third step of the meditation practice. And then we may continue with the fourth step. Powerful music. You may sit in the same posture or change it, like sitting in Siddhasana or in Vajrasana or whatever pose you feel comfortable. So in this practice, we're gonna chant mantra Om, like A-U-M, 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 Aum, 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 Aum. At the same time, here is your awareness, and this is the Bhakti part of the practice. So feel that with Om you are communicating directly with Ishvara, with the ruler of the cosmos, with God. It's just a word. But this is the password. Aum is the password in order to communicate with God. Feel that everything, the earth, the solar system, the galaxy, the whole universe is created by this unlimited intelligence with unlimited power. So, love, dedication, everything opens up here. Open your chest and chant Om, sweet, sweet, very sweet, like Om, 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 until tears come to your eyes. When you're communicating with Ishvara, when you dedicate so much, what you do right now to this unlimited force, unlimited power, unlimited creative power, then tears will come naturally. Let's practice together for 1 minute or so. Mantra Om. Om, 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 Om. At the same time, move the belly in. Om, 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 Om. At the same time, if you feel so, squeeze Asvini Mudra, the anus, with every Om. Om, 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 Om. It's expression. It's pure love happening here. And after this emotional rocket, then silence comes. Now, body, mind, still. Body completely still. However, maybe thoughts are moving, emotions are happening. There is a mood, whatever it is in the mind. Know that it's just phenomena, body and mind phenomena. You are the observer of the phenomena. It's like a movie and you are the screen. The movie and the screen. No expectation. Not thinking about time. And the last part of Bhairava meditation is having the same attitude, the same mindset in Savasana, resting the body completely immobile. So moving slowly with eyes closed from the meditation pose with Savasana. In order to do Savasana, let the legs fall like that. Extend the spine like that. Chin in, hug, chin in, head down, and space in the epithelium, armpits, and relax. You may use pillows according to your body needs. However, the attitude is the same. Everything is happening like a movie. You are the screen, you do nothing. You are Atma, the observer. Yes. After finishing the step, you may turn to the right and stay here for some time. And then coming again to meditation posture, and you may stay here also. And feeling the body-mind effects of this wonderful meditation practice. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you. I have no words to express my love and gratitude towards you.